Okay, so good morning, everyone. Okay, so welcome to our FFWPU Visayas family where true love begins. Woo! So thank you very much, Sanmon UPA, for joining and coming here. So actually, this is my most of the time when I was assigned in Metro Manila, I always assist the Sanmon UPA. We do activity together. Now, when they studied English in Clark, and but last year you started to transfer here, right, in Cebu. So I was also transferred now. Oh. So thank you very much. So my dear Yojongran and children of Heavenly Parent, true parents. So welcome to our Sunday family service. So let's join together to listen to the words of our Heavenly Parent, true parents, and Lord Jesus. So following up with love. This is my sermon for this Sunday. How important following up, right? If we want to build Chunilguk, if we want to build Kingdom of Heaven on earth, we need to do the follow-up. We cannot just share, right? So, following up with love. So there is a saying, right? Even true parents said that love conquers all. We can build Chunilguk with love. Without love, we cannot build Chunilguk. Without love, we cannot make good family. Without love, we cannot make good relationship with your brothers and sisters or with your friends or whoever you will meet in your life, right? So it's very important. Love, the starting point and the foundation of the kingdom of heaven is love. If you study, if you read the Hebrews chapter 10, verse 24 to 25, let us consider how we misspur one another on towards love and good deeds, not giving up meeting together, but encouraging one another. So we cannot give up meeting one another. If we want to build Chunilguk, if we want to build a peaceful world, if we want to have a better world, we need to meet up together. Let's always meet together, talk together, share what are the best things that we can do so that we can realize, substantialize Heavenly Parents' dream and true parents' dream. Aju? And then encourage one another. In John chapter 21, verse 15 to 17 said, Jesus asked Peter 3 times. He said, "Do you love me? Feed my sheep." Love requires ongoing care and shepherding. The same, di ba? True parents, true mother, Holy Mother Han said, "Do you love me? Show your result." Love need to put into action. Love without action is just an emotion. It's just a feeling. After 1 hour, if you are not in good terms, your love, no more. If love is just a feeling, right? So love need to put into actions. Love need to put into substance. It should be manifested in our daily lives. Aju? So we need. So put into action. Jesus said to Peter, through Mother, Holy Mother Han said, you need to show result. Who will build the Chunilguk? Who will build the kingdom of heaven? People. So what is the most important to Heavenly Parent, to True Parent, and Holy Mother Han is not the activity itself. The most important to Holy Mother Han is people, is you. Even though the activity is very nice, it's good, but if you is not good, you don't embody through Holy Mother Han's love, it's nothing. It cannot build kingdom of heaven on earth. Aju? Galatians chapter 6 verse 9 said, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we did not give up." That makes true parents true parents. That makes Jesus only begotten Son. That makes Holy Mother Han only begotten daughter because of the personality of true parents. They never give up. Right? They did not become true parents, true mother. They did not become Holy Mother Han or only begotten daughter because he is very good in speaking, because he is beautiful. No. Because he embodied Heavenly Parents' true love. And he embodied Heavenly Parents' character. Never give up. 6,000 years, Heavenly Parents waiting 6,000 years. He endured. That's the nature of true love. That makes true parents true parents. They can endure. They can wait for you. They will never judge us. They will never judge you. Jesus will never judge Christian. Because true love can endure. So the best time, that's why true parents, right? The best time to show how you can really show to the world that you are the children of Heavenly Parent if you are in crisis. Now, Holy Mother Han show to the world how to be the only begotten daughter of God. We are in crisis, right? But crisis for Heavenly Parent is opportunity. True Mother show how to be a daughter of heaven. Never wait. Never give up. Right? He never changed his priority. That makes them true parents. That makes them Messiah. Aju? Not because we have beautiful temple, not because we have beautiful place, it's not. Because true parents have a beautiful heart, sing with the heart of Heavenly Parent, who can embrace everyone. Kaya nga, love is proven not in the first act, but in the consistent follow-up, feeding, guiding, and encouraging others. Aju? That's why this is the challenge of everyone in our community. There are so many members who are joining the community. They already stay here for 10 years, for 15 years, but they never had spiritual children. Do you have spiritual children? So, did you have contact with your spiritual children? Did you follow up them? Did you talk to them? Distance in this era is not a problem, right? There's WhatsApp, there's Kakao, there's Instagram, Twitter, everything. Heavenly Parent and the era provided everything for humanity to communicate, to encourage one another, to talk one another, to establish relationship to one another. That's why Kingdom of Heaven, Chun Ilgok, is not impossible. Ajo? But all those things are external. What most important is the spiritual or the internal, your heart. If we don't have love, like the love of Heavenly Parent, true parent, how can we build relationship with others? Ajo? So that's the questions. The best offering we can give to True Mother except ourselves is raising spiritual children, because we are bringing God, Heavenly Parent, lost children back to Him, right? That is the real happiness of Heavenly Parent. We do so many activities for the sake of what? Raising children of Heavenly Parent. Raising citizen of Chon Ilgok. That's why, my dear brothers and sisters, journey of faith does not end with a single encounter, a single prayer, or a single act of service. True love requires follow-up. A continuous investment in relationships, in nurturing souls, and in building God's kingdom. The Bible, the divine principle and true parents remind us that love is not a moment, but a lifestyle. A commitment to work together until heaven's dream is fulfilled. Aju? So, follow-up is not a task. It's love. When you follow up, you're invited, your guests, the people that you want them to become part of our community, you are not doing a task. You are not directed. You are not instructed by Heavenly Parent and True Parent Jesus, but you are entrusted. As a citizen of Chun Ilgok, all of us are of Chunilgok, declared by Holy Mother Han and true parents, right? We are chosen people in this era, in this generation. So, you don't need instruction. We don't need directions. We are entrusted. Entrusted is different from instruction, right? You are entrusted by Heavenly Parent and true parent Jesus to build or expand Chunilgok. Aju? So that's why when we follow up our invited, our guests, it's action of love. Aju? True love in action. So follow up is not a task, it's love. Every guest, new believers, or returning brothers or sisters is worth pursuing because love doesn't stop at hello. When you say hello to your invited or guest, oh, that's the end? No, it's just the beginning. Aju? That's why my questions, my dear fellow citizen of Chunilgok, brothers and sisters, have you ever invited someone to a church to lead them in prayer at the altar or in the Chongshimon or in a prayer room or welcome a guest and now you can't even find them anymore? That's why I asked you earlier, where you have spiritual children? Did you have a very good relationship with them? Aju? The best way to raise ourselves to witness. You want to raise yourselves? You want to be the embodiment of Heavenly Parent, true parents' love? Witness. Aju? Even though how much you read, words, it's just a words. But if you want to put the words into life and into reality, you need to go out and witness people. Right? You need to share that word. Then that word have life. Aju? So let's be real. It's not that hard to share the gospel or principle, but nurturing someone afterward, that's the hard part. Right? Follow up is like raising a child, my dear brothers and sisters. It's not enough that they are born. You have to raise them, right? You have to nurture them until such time they are capable and become matured individual, right? Paul understood that he did not just preach and live. When St. Paul preached the gospel, he built relationship with people. That's what follow-up look like. You need to build relationship. It's not a church program. Follow-up is not a church program because there is a very good entertainment, dance, sing. No? It's only part. Right? It's not a church, it's not a program. Follow-up is not a program. It is a personal pursuit. It's love that stick around. That's follow-up. Aju? That's why we have many guests. What is our challenge in our community? We don't follow up. Because we thought the responsibility of building kingdom of heaven is the responsibility of the leader. It's only the responsibility of the pastor. Oh? It's not true. Right? There are so many pastors in our community, they are not in the Chonbo Victor. They are not treasure of heaven. Huh? Right? Oh. There is no words in true parents that if you are a leader, you're already guaranteed to go to heaven. What's true parents' word? The only guarantee if you have spiritual children. Because having spiritual children, you are raising yourself, especially your love, to become true love. Through witnessing, our love will grow. You will nurture your love substantially if we do witnessing. And kingdom of heaven is the place of love, right? That's the teaching of the divine principle, right? In the 3 pages of life. What we need to go to the spiritual world, love, right? Oh, so our main priority in life, why true parents tell us many things, but the most important thing is love. Because what we need in this world is love, right? Love conquers all, right? So you want to conquer, you need to develop your heart. You need to develop your love. Why you love through parents? Because we have beautiful palace. Why many people in the world, they love through parents? Because through parents is what? Korea? Why many people now love through parents? And protect and willing to die for their parents? Because through parents embody true love. He do everything for the sake of God's love. Aju? Oh, that's why he don't cling for material things, right? Our true parents. So follow-up is not a church program. It's a personal pursuit. It's love that stick around. So how do we show Heavenly Parent and Jesus and true parents love through follow-up? Aju? Because we need to grow. You cannot convince people if you just teach them. You just tell the story, right? You just tell the word. If you just tell, we give preach, we give lecture, you just tell the word. But if you want the word to have life and change people, they need to see something. That's why we are persecuted or we are misunderstood as a FFWPU community because the world is looking, what heaven you are talking about? What is Chonilgok? Diba? We talk about Chonilgok. So their question is like this. What Chonilgok looks like? What is there? Huh? What is there? What's inside? What is that place? You know that place, Chonilgok? Oh, because we always hear, right? Chonilgok, right? We need to build Chonilgok, right? What is the image of that place? What is that? What is there? What kind of people is there? Staying in that place, in that Chonilgok. Huh? They are very good people. They are people like the founder who have a genuine heart. Even though you are betrayed still, even though you are deceived still, that's true parents' heart, right? Genuine. That's Chonilgok. But true parents is not enough. We need also as a citizen to show it, right? Because we meet people outside, right? We meet friends when we go to the university. We have classmates, right? So they want to know, what is Chonilgok you are talking about? What's the image of that? What looks like is that? Aju? Oh, and that is our job. That's not only the job of the leader. Aju? Chonilgok needs citizen. And the citizen is the one who will substantialize the original plan of Heavenly Parent. Aju? So everyone is the honor of Chonilgok. That's our family pledge, right? As the honor of Chonilgok. Oh. We need to be the honor of Heavenly Parent, Jesus, and true parents through love. That's why how to follow up with love. So number one now, if we want to follow up, our guests, our invited, number one, we need to care personally. We need to witness one-on-one. The best witnessing is one-on-one. Right? Because people will not, they will not join in our community. They will not feel your presence or your sincerity if you don't spend time, right, with this person. Show everything. What kind of person or you are. Unless you will not spend time with them, they will not know you. So they cannot easily trust you or give their 100% trust, right? Because it's not easy to trust in this time, right? So when we do follow-up, we really need to care personally. That's why here, we have the Project Now in the Visayas, FFWPU Project Now. We call it Project Now. Now means national oneness through witnessing. You want to be one with true parents? You want to be one with Holy Mother? Witness. Aju? The best activity is witnessing. It's not program rate. It's just, just only part. But after the program, the people who join, what they will do after that? If you don't follow up. Right? We really need to follow up. Until such time they will commit that, I accept their parents, I will join the blessing. Ajo? Then, number 2, you need to connect consistently. Then, challenge spiritually. So, care personally. When we follow up with love. 1 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 7 said, "We were gentle among you, like a nursing mother caring for her children." In this Bible verse, St. Paul described his ministry. He didn't compare himself to a soldier or a boss. He used the image of a mother, gentle, nurturing, and attentive. So when Paul witnessed, it's not like, I'm the leader, but he shared Heavenly Parents' love. He shared what is Christians looks like. No? What kind of heart Jesus had. True parents said, if we need to care personally, our invited and guests, we need to have patience and continuous devotion. In the past, why we can witness? Because the one who really stand as a spiritual parent, they really offer devotion. Tremendous devotion. Once they meet the person, they offer 7-day fasting, many devotions. Because their effort alone is not enough. It needs spiritual cooperation, it needs spirit world, Because we have the formula of witnessing, right? 30% God's words. 30% divine principle. 40% your action. That's why True Father compared follow-up to raising children. You never forget your children. Members are encouraged to pray, make conditions, and visit contacts multiple times. If you give sincerity, people will eventually come close and join our community. Adyo? Because they feel valued. Diba? If you are always follow up, then the other people spend time with you, listen to you. They are there in whatever circumstances, whatever season, you are there for that person. So it means he feels value, right? Then naturally, I want to become part of that community. When you lead someone to Heavenly Parent, Jesus Christ and their parents, don't leave them at the church. Ask how they are doing. Right? Know their story. So did you have your invited? Do you have your spiritual children? Right? So we need to have. Because if we don't have spiritual children, we don't invited, how you practice true love? Real education is experience, right? The best teacher is experience, right? So how you can have your own personal and substantial experience? You need to have spiritual children. You need to invite. Aju? That is not only for the sake of number. That is for the sake of yourselves. Because through that, you will nurture substantially your heart. And naturally, you will embody true parents' heart and love. Aju? That's why. Then you are guaranteed to go to the better place in the spirit world. Because what we need in the spirit world is only love. Aju? So whatever we have, invest everything so that your love will become like the love of Heavenly Parent. Become like the love of Jesus. Become like the love of true parents or Holy Mother Han. Aju? Oh. Give them time, not just a track. Treat them like a number. Don't treat them like a number to report. Treat them like a soul to love. They are your brothers and sisters. They are your lost brothers and sisters. They are lost children of Heavenly Parent. They are the lost children of true parents. So, we really need to follow up them and bring them back so that Heavenly Parent, true parents will be happy. Heavenly parents and true parents can smile because now there is another lost children, go back to them and starting to fulfill the original purpose intended for them. Aju? Oh, second, you need to connect consistently when doing follow-up with love. 1 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 8 said, "So we cared for you because we love you so much." So why they cared out? Because we love you so much. We were delighted to share with you not only the gospel of God. We are delighted to share with you not only the principle, but our lives as well. Aju? Don't just share the principle. Don't just share the gospel said. Share your life. So naturally, they can easily understand the principle. Because when they see you, they see God. When they see you, they feel God. When they see you, they feel Heavenly Parent and True Parents. You don't need enough elaboration and to explain to the guest who is true parents. Through your actions, through your smile, through your heart, they know already what kind of person is true parents. Aju? So we need to be consistent. True parents said, members are taught to invest themselves, heart-to-heart investment. Like a mother, study what people need, remove barriers between hearts, and leave a lasting and positive impression. Aju? True parents said, you need to know them. You want to save them, right? When we witness, we want to save people, right? So don't just teach them divine principle because that is very, not easy, right? You need to know them. What's their problem? What they need in their lives? Do you think they really need that word or is not? Right? At that moment, do you think they need such presentation? Or they just need people who want to listen to them, to their story? Because they have trouble. They have doubts. They don't understand what's happening in their lives or the world. So you don't need to you don't need to teach. You don't need to open your laptop and open the PPT presentation because they don't care about that. Even that word is truth. They don't care because it's not fit to their needs. Aju? That's why it's very important that you need to talk to them consistently so that you will know what is the need of your spiritual children. Aju? Not just share the word. Word is not enough. Parang it's just like when you plant a plant. Some people treat their plants. They are not just planting, they are taking care of them every day, right? If you want your plant and the seed to grow beautifully, you need to take care. Every day, you need to know, they need water. This is the amount of water. They need this kind of fertilizer. I need to bring them, they need sunlight, right? You are very particular because you want to make sure that this plant will grow beautifully. The same with people. Aju? Well, you need to check the soil. You need to check the water. Make sure it gets enough sunlight. Some even talk to their plants, right? Why? Because they love them. And when you love something, you take care of it, right? So did you love your spiritual children? Because if there is no love, we cannot do that. Right? Why you are willing to do everything like this? Because of love, right? Why you need to raise yourself? Why you need to nurture yourself? Why you need to educate yourself? Why you need to train yourself? Because you love yourself. Because you love Heavenly Parent. Di ba? True Parent said, you need to love yourself first. You want to love me? You love yourself first. Because when you deal with outside, where you will get your love? You cannot get the love of True Parent. That is His love. Right? You need to inherit. That's why you need to love yourself. That's why we study. We study the principle. We join training. For what? To raise yourself. Because you love yourself. Because you know you are providential person. You are chosen people. You are not ordinary person in this world. As you? So you need to invest heart to heart. Follow up is not an event. It's a relationship. As you? When we follow up our guests, when we follow up our invited, when we follow up our friends, we build relationship. That's why the preacher, just like Paul, he didn't just share the gospel and disappear. He gave his heart, his time, his life. Same with your parents, right? Think about a phone, like example. No matter how expensive or powerful it is, if you don't charge it, the battery will run out. New believers are like that. Our new guests, our invited, they same like that. They need spiritual charging, and you are the charger. Diba? How they will know heavenly parents? How they will know true parents? How they will know our community? Who will tell them? In more substantial and in more real sense. Who will tell them? You let others to tell them? No, you the one. Ajo? Oh, see, you are the charger. So you need. That's why you need to contact them. You need to follow up them. You need to say, hi, what you're doing? Okay, let's go to Starbucks. Let's talk. So that only casual relationship. If the relationship is just casual, is just normal, then people will naturally open 100% his heart, right? Because there is no barrier. You are the leader. I am the member. So if like that, always he will reserve. Maybe I will share the leader will angry, so I will just keep. But if casual, just like your friends, diba? You just share naturally. Oh, you know, I have the... see, you share naturally, and then you are fully connected. Ajo? The same when you do follow-up. You are standing in the position of a parent, right? Oh, not a boss, not a leader, not as a pastor. So you are the charger. If there is no follow-through, there is no real follow-up. So after they join the activity, after they receive the divine principle, do you think it's enough? No. Oh, then, what's next? What is the best activity? They join the dancing session, singing. Of course, it's like that. That is their hobby, right? But the real follow-up, you always meet the person. Face-to-face. Talk, listen, share together, bond together, what your hobby, if your both hobbies the same. Say, then you go karaoke, you sing together. If you dance, then you dance together. Oh, you go to the mountain, then you go to the mountain. Oh, right? It's not only just to tell the Bible. So what? Oh, they said, oh, I know already that. So then, so what? I know already the divine principle. Oh, then what? Oh. People will say like that. So what? I know already the Bible. So what? Oh. People want to know, oh, what's your life? Oh, you come first to me, right? Oh, very good, very nice, beautiful. Your life so I will also become like you. Oh, I want to become or even better than you, right? Oh. Because you are so calm, so kind, loving, peaceful, If I'm with you, I feel heaven. Aju? So third one, to follow up with love, challenge spiritually. 1 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 11 to 12 said, for you know that we dealt with each other, you as a father. In the other side, he deal with you like a mother. That's why nurturing, caring, loving. This time, Just like a father deal with his own children, encouraging, comforting, and urging you to live lives worthy of God, who calls you into His kingdom and glory. Paul shaped the picture from mother to father heart. There's a time to be gentle, but there is also a time to challenge. New believers don't just need hugs. They need directions. After they know and they build relationships, then you need to tell them, you are chosen people of God and true parents. You are chosen people and citizen of John Ilgok. As a citizen, as a providential people, this is the things that we need to do. We need to build kingdom of heaven on earth. These are the things that you need to put it into your lives. Aju? So after that, then you challenge them. Aju? Oh. Just like a mother, like a parent, when the time you reach some certain level of maturity, right? The parents will tell you, okay, now you take responsibility for your lives, right? They will tell you like that. Huh? You are already old enough. You are already matured, right? You know already what is good and wrong, right? So, okay, you do na. Huh? Oh, same like that, right? Because you are already capable. You are already responsible. Aju? So true parents said, true parents emphasized that bringing people to a seminar, giving them the divine principle, or having them read the memoir is not the end. The crucial follow-up step is educating them so they can independently follow the path of true parents. Aju? Encouragement is great. But if we don't teach new believers, or your invited, or your guests, and members of the community how to walk with Heavenly Parent, Jesus, or true parents, we fail. Because later on, He will just in love with you. Aju? If you don't challenge Him and tell Him what is the things that needs to do, He will just in love with you. That's horizontal only. So He will only in love with you, not to Heavenly Parent and true parent. Then big trouble. Aju? Oh. So we need to challenge them. You are now children of Heavenly Parent. You are now children of true parents. So, as a children of Heavenly Parent and true parents, these are the things that you need to do. Let's work together to build John Ilgok. So this challenge spiritual is just like a coach in a basketball, right? He doesn't just cheer and say, oh, okay, you can do it, you can do it. Diba? The coach in a basketball, he just say like that. He teach you how to dribble. Oh, this, you need to dribble, you know? How to shoot, how to avoid fouls. Diba? Oh. So don't just encourage. Then after that, give clear instruction and direction as they are already children of Heavenly Parents and true parents. Kaya nga, follow-up isn't a project. It's about people. It's not just about how many show up last Sunday. It's about how many are truly growing in Christ and true parents today. How many people, how many chosen people embodying true parents' love. That is the most important. If we follow up with love, genuine, patient, intentional love, then one more soul won't just be saved. They will become disciple and children of Heavenly Parent and true parents. Aju? So let's go back for the ones we left at the altar. Let's follow up with love. Aju? So what is true parents' word about that? About follow up with love. True parents said, by witnessing through the divine principle, we are carrying out a movement to revive love. That's the purpose of the existence of the divine principle and unification movement. To revive love. Because only love can build kingdom of heaven on earth. Aju? All of us, we are made out of, right? Because of God's love, He made us, right? God did not make us because of principle. God made us. He created the world, especially human beings, because of love. That's why He wants to participate in that love. Aju? That's the purpose of the existence of Family Federation. If we are already, di ba, in the divine principle, it teaches us, once you are already in the direct dominion, what governs there is not principle anymore. It is governed by love. An era of Chunilgok, we are already in the era of direct dominion. Heavenly Parent is already here, right? So He is now looking, are you my temple? Because the real temple of God is not the palace, it's not the building. That's why Heavenly Parents need to build that building, because nobody is capable. Nobody is same like them. Become the real temple of Heavenly Parents' love. Aju? Oh. But the real temple, the Bible said, the parents' word said, you are that real temple. Did you know that your body is God's temple? Oh. What? How Heavenly Parent substantialize His love, life, and lineage? Diba? Through your body. Aju? That's why we exist for the sake of love. We are building the world of heart which transcends time and space. Our words and our prayers are ultimately for the sake of love. Let us realize the ideal of love, that is perfection. So what is the perfection that the divine principle talks? It's about perfection of love. Aju? Then, another words of your parents about follow up with love. God rejoice when you testify to Him with an earnest heart. God desire to work through good people to save every human soul from the world of death. God would not withhold anything from people who understand His deep wish of heaven and who take it upon themselves to resolve the grief in God's heart by shouldering the burden in God's place, fighting to save people, and declaring God's heart to the world. See? That is our responsibility. To resolve the grief in God's heart. That's the one true parents doing. Even though very difficult, even though very challenging. But because the most important to true parents is Heavenly Parent, need to do it. Aju? That's why Holy Mother Han said, practice flu. That's the culture in the Chunilgok. Flu. Forgive, love, unite. He never said, fight. Forgive, love, unite. You need to fight with yourself. How to unite your mind and body. Then, another word of true parents. Witnessing means inducing people to leave the satanic world with a smile and follow the heavenly path. It is guiding them to the kingdom of heaven. You cannot force people to come. People are spiritual beings. Give your utmost love to them and cry with painful heart in order to raise them one by one and persuade them to follow the path of God's providence. Yeah? You cannot force people. You are forced by true parents to love them? We are not, right? Oh, but why we respond? Because we feel it. Their love. We saw it. We experience it. So true parents said, before we can educate others about God, eternal life, and true love, we should know them ourselves. So you need to know them first before you educate them now about God, true love, eternal life. Know the person first. Then no matter what others say, we can speak of them from our own experience. We should speak from the facts, and we know and not merely repeat what others have said. That is how we can come closer to God and become central figures. We need to obtain this if we are to bring many others to participate in the heavenly world and digest the remnants of the satanic world. So you need to have your own personal story to tell. Aju? The parents said, how should people be educated? Make a plan. Consistently develop it and put it into practice. Organize systematically. To make strong relationship with people, make condition continuously. Especially prayer condition. Remove the walls between your heart and others. We should visit 2, 3, 4 times to give them good impressions. We need to touch their hearts. Prepare many topics with which to inspire them. See? This is how to follow up. Through father said, through parents said. Aju? Make a plan. Witnessing is like a war. Do you want to lose the war? So preparation is necessary. Aju? That's why we undergo training this time. You are in the San Monupe and also here, they do training. For what? To prepare the war. Preparation is more important. That's why we spend time on preparation, right? Because the actual war, it's day to day. Once you already go out, you will graduate, so you will face the reality, right? That's the real. So every day, you will deal people. You cannot say, oh, stop, pause for a while. I'm tired. People will not accept that in the reality, right? Oh, they cannot. You cannot do that. That's why preparation, that's why you are very good. You are undergoing training. So you need to invest everything. You need to learn the words so that one day you can put the words into substance. Aju? At the beginning of your preparation, planning is important. A four-position foundation is necessary. So, mind and body unity, heavenly parent, and you become ideal person who embody God's true love. The foundation of three people also is very important. Witnessing to people is the same as taking care of children. If you are a parent, you never forget your children. Invest yourself like a mother. Make condition. Choose your words. What to say to people. You have to taste witnessing, study, research like a doctor. Prepare what people need. If you continue to make conditions, the Spirit world will teach you. Until the Spirit world teaches you, make condition. Pray and act. Visit your contacts. You will receive help from people's ancestors. Aju? So these are the things that we need to do as a chosen people of Chunilgok so that we can bring substantial offering to Holy Mother Han, which is result. The result which is alive and kicking. Aju? Who shout Aju? So that's what Holy Mother wants to hear. So all of us here are 100. Oh, this is my challenge always here in our community. So we are 100. So we are 100. So if you determine until December 31, 2026, I will witness 3 people. Oh, at the end of December 31, 2026, how many people we are now? 400. Because additional 3, that's the power of 3. True, Father, use the power of 3, right? You don't need to witness 100 people. You cannot take care. You cannot spend time. Genuine time, Di ba? Authentic time to many people, right? But if you focus on 3 and you invest everything, they will become children of heavenly parents. So natural, right? Natural. Then you can do everything. Where you want to educate them. You want to educate them in Starbucks? Or because they are same with you? So bring them here in Cebu again. Oh, let's go visit Cebu. Let's do vacation. Together, all right? While you do swimming and snorkeling. Oh, you know, life is like this. Oh, di ba? Natural. But you naturally share the principle. Ajo? So he will be completely satisfied. Not just only spiritually, also physically, right? Oh. Aju? So teach them how to read. So how to apply the follow-up. With love. Teach them how to read the Bible, the divine principle, through parents' theology. Help them learn how to pray. Ask them about their struggles. Don't stay shallow. Help them grow deep in Heavenly Parent and Jesus and true parents. Aju? So, who among you here have spiritual children? Can you raise your hand? Oh, no, you don't have yet, right? Oh, that's the challenge. That's why don't talk kingdom of heaven. Talk first. How can you embody Heavenly Parent and true parents' love? Because love is life, right? You want to give life, you need to have love. What kind of love? True parents' love. What is the purpose why you need to teach yourself? Why you need to raise yourself? For what purpose? For the sake of kingdom of heaven. If you know who you are, then you know how to behave well also. Right? You are chosen people. You are providential people. So it means we cannot behave and live like ordinary people. Aju? So how can we grow? Whom do you think will bring people, new people in the community? Who will bring? Huh? That's only the responsibility of the pastor? Oh, no. Pastor can come and go. Tomorrow, maybe I will not become a pastor here. Pastor can be changed. But to be a children of Heavenly Parent, true parent, it's eternal. Nobody can take out from you. Whether you like it or not, either we fulfill our responsibility or not, you are already marked as children of Heavenly Parent and true parents. So either you fulfill or we fulfill our responsibility, it's up to us. Aju? Oh, that's why you need to fight. You really need to pray very hard to embody true love of Heavenly Parent and true parents. So very simple. How true father witnessed that when he was in prison. He cleaned the floor. It's very simple. You don't need to be very extravagant. Just share the food. Cut half, he share. That's it, right? You don't teach. He just share the food, right? He cleaned the floor. Same now with True Mother. Same. People was moved not because True Mother teach deeply. He showed it. Never complain. He still smile. Even difficult, still give smile to people. Ajo? That's why people was witness. They are witnessing, this kind of person is really a person of love, you know. He is already in difficulty, but still she smile. Oh, that's why many confused now. Oh, they said she is bad. But why is like that? What I saw is different. He's not bad. He's great. Oh, see? Ajo? Oh, that's what we need also. You have to practice that love. Put it into action, right? So you need to share. Oh. Clean the floor. Ajo? Oh. See? If your companion don't have, give. Share. You don't have? To buy something for the Starbucks? Okay, I will give you. Oh, see? He will not forget you one day. If I have the chance also, I will buy 10 Starbucks for you. Why? Because you save him, right? Oh. Aju? Oh, that's why you need to. Your main job is to have spiritual children. So, conclusion, church follow-up is not optional. It's not a duty. It's love. Love show up through you care personally. Love them like a mother loves his children. Connect consistently. Don't be one-time friend. Build lasting relationship. Then, lastly, challenge spiritually. Help them grow and walk the way of God. Become children of Heavenly Parent and true parents. So, my dear brothers and sisters, fellow citizens of Chon Ilgok, let's really do our best to build Chon Ilgok. It is now in our hands. Adyo? Whether we like it or not, either we want hell or heaven, it's not up to True Mother. They did already their part. Oh, it's not up to God also. Because at the end of the day, either you will become the embodiment of Heavenly Parents' love or Satan's love, it's up to you. Who has the final say for your life? Who has the final say? Who will make decision, the final decision? Who will make the final say for our lives? God, Satan, or you? You! So whatever happens in our life, don't blame God. Don't blame Heavenly Parent. Don't blame True Parent. Don't blame Satan. Blame yourself. Why you allow it to happen? Because at the end of the day, you know very well in your life that you have the final say for your lives, right? Oh. That's why if you want to have a better life, so that's why we study. We need to be knowledgeable of God's words, True Parents' words. Then nobody can betray us. Nobody can trick us. Because you know the truth. Adyo? So that's why it is now in our hands how we expand Chon Ilgok. It is not the responsibility of True Parents anymore. Oh. It is now our responsibility. We need to grow up. And we will only grow if we witness. Adyo? Witness. Bring people. Talk to them. Don't bring them to that church. If you're not going, bring them to the coffee shop there outside. Right? So let's do our best. Let's show our love to Heavenly Parents, True Parents, our Holy Mother Han, through witnessing. And when you have your spiritual children, you have your guests, please follow up them. Build relationship. Spend quality time. Pray for them. Offer Jongsong, devotion, until they will declare that I will join the community and I will receive the blessing, so that blessing is a process for me to become true children of Heavenly Parent and True Parents, so that I will become the co-creator and inheritor of love, life, and lineage. Because without the blessing, you cannot be an inheritor. Even though we witness with so many big events and activity, if you don't them receive blessing, how can they will change their lineage? How they can change their position from becoming a lost children to become true children of Heavenly Parent? That's why all the activities, what is the conclusion? Blessing. Adyo? Invite them to the blessing. So before you invite, you join the blessing first. Adyo? Why you invite them to join? You are not confident to join. Oh. Adyo? You join first before you invite others and tell them to join. Why you tell me to become children of God? You are not children of God. You first. Do it. Adyo? People outside will tell you like that. Why you tell me to become good? You are good? Oh, people will say like that now. Adyo? Before you say, you do it first. Oh, that's why you talk about blessing. You join the blessing? Are you very happy to join the blessing? Oh, if not, then don't witness. Adyo? Because if you witness without them conclusion to join the blessing, you are creating monster. You let them inherit false love, false life, and false lineage. So later on, they will be a big trouble to the world. Adyo? Oh, so you are not building heaven. We are building hell. Adyo? So let's give round of applause to Heavenly Parent and True Parents.